दोस्तों हमारे चैनल वी ब्लॉग में आप सभी का स्वागत है। आज हम पढ़ने जा रहे हैं इलेक्ट्रोफिलिक सब्स्टिट्यूशन के अंतर्गत ब्रोमिनेशन, नाइट्रेशन, सल्फोनेशन। You have read earlier that the aniline is a resonance hybrid of the structure. Where do you find the maximum electron density? These extra ortho and para position to the NH2 group become centers of high electron density. Thus NH2 is more NH2 is ortho and para directing and powerful activating agent. ब्रोमिनेशन क्या होता है? aniline reacts with bromine water at normal temperature to give a white precipitate of 2,4,6 tribromo aniline etc. देखिए दोस्तों, ये एनिलीन को बाद Br2 2,4,6 tribromo aniline. The main problem encountered during electrophilic substitution reaction of aromatic amine is that a very high reactivity substitution tend to occur at ortho and para position. If we have to prepare the monosubstituted aniline derivative, that how can the activating effect of NH2 group be controlled? This can be done by protecting the NH2 group by acetylation with acetic anhydride and then carry out the desired substitution followed by hydrolysis of the substituted amide to the substituted amine. Aniline CH3CO का होल ट्वाइस pyridine के साथ का यन फेनिल एथेनामाइड. We have the lone pair of electrons on nitrogen of acetanilide interact with oxygen atom due to resonance as shown. Hence, the pair of electrons on nitrogen is less available for donation of benzene to benzene by resonance. Thus, therefore, activating effect of NHCO-CH3 group is less than that of amino group. Nitration, direct nitration of aniline aids quaternary oxidation product in addition to the nitro derivative. Moreover, in the strongly acidic medium, aniline is protonated to form the anilinium ion, which is metal directing. That is why besides the ortho and para derivative, significant amount of meta derivative is also formed. However, by protecting the NH2 group by acetylation reaction with acetic anhydride, the nitration reaction can be controlled and the p-nitro derivative can be obtained as a major product. Sulfonation, aniline react with concentrated sulfuric acid to form anilinium hydrogen sulfate, which on heating with sulfuric acid at 453 से 73 Kelvin produces p-aminobenzene sulfonic acid, commonly known as sulfonalic acid, as a major product. Aniline does not undergo Friedel-Crafts alkylation enzyme due to salt formation with aluminum chloride. The Lewis acid, which is used as a catalyst, due to this nitrogen of aniline acquires positive charge and hence acts as a strong activating group for further reaction. Gabriel phthalimide synthesis. Gabriel synthesis is used for the preparation of primary amines phthalimide and treatment with ethanolic potassium hydroxide form of potassium salt of phthalimide, which on heating with alkyl halides followed by alkaline hydrolysis produces the corresponding primary amine. Aromatic primary amine cannot be prepared by this method because aryl halides do not undergo nucleophilic substitution reaction. The anion formed by phthalimide. Hoffman-bromamide degradation reaction. Hoffman developed a method for preparation of primary amines by treating an amine with amide with bromine in an aqueous or ethanolic solution of sodium hydroxide. In this degradation reaction, migration of an alkyl or aryl group takes place from the carbonyl carbon of the amide to the nitrogen atom. The amine is so formed contains one carbon atom bond than the present of